Screen share. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, thank you. So our project is called PEPO Paradise. It's a cross-chain social pets metaverse around NFTs that you already own, with the fee-to-earn mechanic built on Avalanche. So let me quickly show our video first. So it's kind of inspired by Animal Crossing, New Pets, and some other social games. So we have like a cute vibe and a sandbox mechanics to it. If I go to the deck, okay. So a little bit introduction of myself and my team. I'm Chris from Finifugu Games. We are an established mobile game studio, previously developing mobile games. We were featured by Google Play Store and Apple App Store globally in more than 150 countries. These are some of the previous games that we've made before. The team consists of 12 full-time members distributed in different locations in the world, including places like Hong Kong, London, Italy, Thailand, and Taiwan. We have in-house technical lead, art lead, marketing lead, game designer, front-end developer, technical artist, animator, etc., etc. We have also won some game industry awards along the way from different places in the world, including places like London, Prague, Los Angeles, Hong Kong, Berlin, etc., etc. So we are coming to the blockchain space, especially Web3 NFT space, because we want to solve these two problems. First of all, the lack of use cases for NFTs. Certain NFTs lack interactivity and interoperability. Secondly, it's the N squared problem, typical scalability problem between end-to-end collaborations. We want to make sure that we can help everyone to reduce their integration workload in collaborations. So the vision for Public Paradise is that we want to be the gateway between NFT IP brands and metaverses. So with our cross-chain tech, NFT IP partners from different chains will be able to register as a PEPO, a term that we would like to use for Web3 3D pets. And once they're registered to this PEPO directory, they will be interoperable, which means they can be deployed on different games, different metaverse, etc., etc. And we provide 3D modeling services and animation services to our partners. So it doesn't only come. So when they register to Power Directory, first of all, it's on chain. Secondly, it comes with 3D model animation. So it's like one directory for everything, which the developers, users, the audience, the community can create community generated content. On top of that, Pebble Paradise is a petaverse, and we are introducing something called the feed to earn mechanic. So basically, all the pebbles, the virtual pets that you deployed on Pebble Paradise, you can feed them and increase the bonding between you and your NFT pets. Once the bonding score gets to a certain point, the pets start dropping, tokens or NFT rewards for the players to collect and earn and trade on the marketplace. So what's the benefit of all this stuff that we're doing? Um, First of all, for the players, they have additional return on their NFT investments because we're providing with the feature earn mechanic for their existing owned NFTs. Secondly, more use cases for players' NFTs because we are categorizing them to an on-chain directory to be used in different games and metaverse. Thirdly, interactive 3D central hub for displaying their NFTs, and they can find places to use their NFTs within our ecosystem. Also, to places to get like cool new NFTs for them to own and invest. For our NFT IP partners, Uh, we create the NFT yield for them with a free-to-play mechanic, which means a direct value add to their NFT. Increasing use cases, which means higher trading volume, which means more royalties for them. Significantly reducing the integration workload because they only have to work with us once, and will manage the 3D model animation and register as one of the PEPOs to avoid them being individually collaborating with different metaverses or games. And obviously more exposure for our NFT IP partners. For metaverse partners, they have access to strong NFT IPs. They can enjoy free game contents that updates regularly as our ecosystem grows. Lastly, for Pebble Paradise, we have more significant influence in the NFT space, opportunities to incubate potential projects, and enlarge exposure audience pool and our active users. On the tokenomics side of it, we are running a multi-token system. So we have the main token as the Pepper Paradise token, PPP token, which will be the main token to be used in the marketplace. They can stake it for privilege in the game and will be the governance and voting token. After that, we have two secondary tokens, the food token, PBF, and then the coin token, PBC. So these two tokens are the main secondary market tokens, which completes the feed to earn loop. So basically, the food tokens are the food consumed by the peppers, and the coins are the rewards that you get with the feed to earn mechanic. The coin token is kind of like an in-game currency where are being used for most of the in-game services and to create in-game items or like to hatch more new peppers. The food token you can acquire them through either farming in the game or like other in-game activities, for example, like complete daily quests, complete achievements, etc., etc. Lastly, we have NFTs in the game, including the peppers, the eggs, decorations, the land. These will mostly be tradable on the marketplace. A quick diagram of what's going on. So basically, you have the food here, and you feed the peppers. And the peppers, they will drop tokens for you to earning and collect. Sometimes they drop eggs as well for you to spend some coin to hatch it to get more peppers. We're also introducing something called the pepper land, which the players can build their farm on it and farm for more food. Uh, Players can also stake their token on pepper land in order to multiply the feed to earn mechanic so they can earn even more and progress faster that way. We are running a games as a service model. So basically, it is first of all free to play as long as you already own one of the NFTs that, sorry, one of our partners' NFT. And most of the revenue from Pebble Paradise comes from the services in the game because we want to be the future pet provider in Web3. So service fees include marketplace service fee. We have the Pebble naming service (PNS), land upgrades, hatching fee, item crafting fee, etc., etc. We're also running a dynamic control on the treasury for the PP token. So basically, part of this service fee will goes into the treasury of the main PPP token, and the rest of them will be converted to PPC token and burn it to ensure that the secondary market is stable and sustainable. Competitors, we do not, I believe, from my understanding, we do not have like a direct competitor yet with our cross-chain technology in verifying NFT ownership. So we picked some similar games that are currently on the market as a comparison. My neighbor Alice, farming similar game, which also going for like the Animal Crossing 5 and Mobox, which they are trying to perform cross-game NFTs. However, in my opinion, their ecosystem is very enclosed, which their NFTs only works with their games, and their games can only work with their NFT. So it's not really open for everyone. Eventually, for Pebble Paradise, we want to build the the ultimate pets directory, which is open to everyone. So we'll allow it to be open API, so everyone can even upload their pets or NFT pets onto Purple Paradise and to be used in any game. And also the directory will be open for all developers out there, so they can create games for NFTs that they love or like they want to support for. So we are going to have the NFT land sale, and we have cross game, cross chain NFT. We're farming mechanic in the game. We're providing NFT yield with our feature earn mechanic. We already established some NFT partnership, and our initial market cap will be 390K, which is significantly lower than the other games right now on the market. I'm not sure if I need to go through. I'll skip the distribution, I guess. Uh, Actually, I'll just quickly go through it. Um, for distribution of 3 token, we have 15% to the team, 5% to advisors, 10% seed in private round, 0.5 to public round, and the rest will be for ecosystem, marketing, rewards, liquidity, etc., etc. The token price at our IDO will be at 0.04. So let me quickly show you the roadmap. Um, Currently, we have the website launched. We have the prototype complete. We also have seed round secured. We're open for a private round. We'll have a Genesis PEPO pre-sale in April, which will be very important for us because these first set of PEPO, which we call it cheeks, will be the first ones to kickstart our ecosystem. We will be holding a closed beta launch to our early followers or our supporters in Q2 2022, and we will have our IDO and public round in Q2 as well. So in Q3 we'll have the open beta ready for everyone to try. Um, and in Q4 we'll be having the public launch and the mobile app launch, so you'll be able to play Pebble Paradise on your device, on your phone devices. And in Q1 we'll complete the dial system, and we're also supporting for AR and VR integration. So that's it for the pitch deck. I'll quickly show you our working demo. So this page here, you can access through the demo button in our website here. So the game runs on the web browser right now. It is like on an internal test period right now. So in order to access to this demo, you will need access, whitelist access to that. So and a quick demonstration on the left, you see there are some carrots, right? This will be like your farm, so you can craft more farms and to plant more seed. Sorry, yeah, to lay more seed and to get more food. And this food will be used to feed your peppers, which the peppers, sorry, so the peppers will get you the tokens, if you can see on the land. Uh, Hello, hello, hello. Do you guys hear me?
Yes.
Seems like it's kind of lagging on my
Yeah.
end.
Uh, the screen is kind of like lagging, but the voice is okay.
Okay, okay. What about, can I quickly stop my camera? I'll stop my camera. Yeah. So so sometimes they drop eggs as well for the players to hatch and collect. So like all these item on the screens, these will be all NFT, including the tents, the flowers, all the objects you place on the island, including the petals. So let me quickly log into my test account. So it's very straightforward. You have your NFTs in the wallet, right? So all you need to do is you just sign in. We will read the NFTs that you currently own, and we can display it on the land. So this is the demo. This is like a, island building demo that we have right now. So you can build your land as you wish, and then you can have your NFT pets in your inventory, and then you can just place them on the land, right? And this demo right now is for demonstration of the customization of the island, so we cannot show you the fee to earn or like other gameplays. But you can, you can grab them around. You can throw them on different floors. You can place more. Oops. You can place different items in the game basically.